When it comes to odor control, Arm& Hammer makes some of the best litters out there, and this 14-day slide is no exception. It's really great for multi-cat households, and it's particularly great for automatic cat litter pans like ours. You can see that it's a pretty sandy consistency, and what's so nice about it is it clumps really well, and it also slides super cleanly. So when our litter pan needs to self-rotate and auto clean, this litter actually will all get caught and emptied out, and in the end I will have a completely clean litter pan for my cats to use again. Now, of course, this can be used in a manual litter box as well, but I did particularly get it for this automatic litter pan, as I knew it would be better than some of the other litters out there for an automatic litter pan. You can see how clean it is. It's great for my cats. It's great for me. Love it.